Cray Crays, and this is Mia. Right here, I'm in my other socks today. Reagan, and it's sort of dark, but, well, it is dark. Hi, Major! Say hi! She's like, no, thank you. Mia, what? What is it? What do you see? Yeah, they tore up a soccer ball. Yeah, here, I'll show you the video after. Yeah, look at the shadows. It's not a good idea, honey. I did that to a toy, and now she wants it. Huh. Oh, hello. Say hi. Hi, you pretty girl. I can't get it. It's so hard, man. Yeah, give me kisses. Why not? Who's this? Who's this? See, that's Major. This is Mia, and I better go turn that light up. So, bye. Say bye, Major.